Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going on to the next topic. Uber stock prices surge as rideshare recovery defies inflation. So a lot of drivers are making less money now, but Uber stock prices goes up, and that's what you were talking about earlier, right? About how Uber just cares about profit, not driver pay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna read this real quick.
Yeah. Uber Technologies on Tuesday forecast fourth quarter operating profit above Wall Street estimates, betting on cost controls and rising demand for its rides as customers resume spending more on travel, sending its shares up 13%.
Yeah.
The city's real travel booming. Consumers are shifting their budgets to services. And the CEO compared the 2 years of COVID-led lockdowns when they had limited spending to basic needs.
Yeah. Let's look at the stock price right now. Shall we? Oh no, not Tesla stock, Uber stock. Oh, basically after that article came out, the stocks kind of started going down.
Oh.
Well, it's kind of back up again, 27 bucks. I mean, yeah, it was down to like 20 before. Yeah, I mean, it's not like it's definitely recovering.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, when you got news about, cyber hacks coming out every other day, it's like